Right, Lada's here. New exhaust here. I'm going to start up. Maybe we'll vlog this, maybe we won't, but I'm just going to get this anyway because... Hold that. It's filming already.
Lack of commitment vlog.
I know, but I'm not sure if I actually want it or just enjoy the process of doing this. Cold start, the 964. Does sound cool, but it's pretty airy. Don't want that exhaust to get too hot, so the new tank is going on. That's that, right. Turn that sucker off. Let's get the front wheels wedged and then jack it up. Yeah. We're matting. I'm still filming in case of vlogging. We've got wheel spaces for the rear, the tank's pipe. Lada, you helping out down there, mate? Ho! What's this? Ho! Uh-oh. Well, we didn't film it because that literally took 2 seconds. Can you twist that a bit and we'll slide her out? That is the old exhaust silencer that we're going to replace with a piece of straight tube, hopefully. Wow, look how heavy it is and big. It's still quite a cool, like, petrol-y look. And that's just a tube going in. Oh my. So, one of those olives is still in the car, so you may as well just use one of the new ones.
Which one's on the car?
This side.
That side. So the only thing else we need is these brackets.
Do we?
Yeah.
We've not got 2 of them there.
No.
Why have we got 1?
That's the middle one to join it.
Oh, I see. So we need these to go back in.
These can go like basic.
964, getting mods. Yeah, olives, then we'll just lift her on.
So that was the ones out of that. What we've done with the only thing is, you see which way these brackets all went, yeah?
Pun? Well, that's symmetrical, so it doesn't really matter.
No, because we have to have a look.
We've got our own new ones.
Oh, yeah, I didn't see where they hook on or anything.
No, I can look up in there and we'll work her out.
Yeah.
Right, here we are, Uggs are under. I don't know if anyone can see us under here, but this is pretty much about to go in. We just need to tighten these little suckers up on the olives. We should be good to go. We just got dirt in our eyes. Right, I've come out from under the car. There's the old piece of shit. Oh, please be super sick. I don't know where I put the keys. Oh, I'm nervous because it could be so crap or it could be well good. Here we go. I think it's going to be quite sick. There's only a little bit more there. I think it's quite a bit more than this. That's like a decent amount more. I think it's perfect. Nice. What do you reckon?
I reckon that could be good.
Yeah.
It'll be good to hear it when it's like actually pulling.
It's definitely not as crazy as it could have been. I don't know what he's on about. It might be gnarlier on the road.
Maybe it's not on the road. It'll be good to see it.
It's definitely got more sound.
Yeah.
I think it's actually quite sick. I reckon it's quite rude actually.
It could be alright.
Never slow.
That didn't take too long.
Huh? No, that's done. Alright, before we get real hot, let's do the rear wheel spaces, then take her out for a rip. Hey you. Jacked her up. Quite a quick video this one, so take the Fuchs genuine wheels, obviously, definitely not replicas off, and we've got these little 5mm wheel spaces on. Not a lot, just get it sit, little baby, you know. Is that them there? That's us. Those bad boys on. Literally easy as pie. Easy as pie. Well, that's tiny to clean again. spin some wheel nuts back on with my great impacting skills. Probably the worst in the market. How shit that wheel nut is. We need some new wheel nuts for this thing. They look like absolute dog shit. I don't get the bloody socket on that. Rookie. Little locker. Cruise that guy on. Tighten that up with my locking wheel nut. That's that tight then. Locking wheel nut done, mate. We're gonna back up a minute. That was not happy. I've got a fold of the tyre in there. Is that good? I don't know. You tell me at home. I actually feel the torque wrench kind of for once. Oh, it's way better, isn't it?
Mm.
Always set your wheels to torque like we are. Yeah. It's one side done. There you have it. Oh man, it's way better. This way you should never get shingle driveway because you've got to carry your jack around. Whoever wants a shingle driveway is an idiot. Looks crap, is crap. Is crap again. Hate shingles. So much. Everything's so dumb that you order shingle in.
You've got a bike.
It's the worst surface ever. I can't wheel my wheelie jack around. Literally the worst surface known to man is shingle.
Real comfy on your knees though.
Yeah, real comfy on your knees as well. Literally the sickest jack ever. Makes it so easy. Apart from it weighing 2 tons and having shingle. Got a group of tools around here. I can't wait to go rip this. Is there a locking wheel nut this side? Can't do that quickly with my locking wheel nut tool. Too funny, eh? It's not an expensive 964, guys. We've gone in at the low end, so she's rough around the edges. That's why your locking wheel nut tool looks like that. There we are, another wheel spacer. I really should have spun that on my finger first. That was really bad. bad practice. Let's check how I'm comfortable with that. I mean, most stuff I do is bad practice, but that was really bad. Let's get that locking wheel nut back on. If I get my locking wheel nut to work, that'd be good. Just get that on there. Always use your locking wheel nut tools. Don't want those wheels stolen. A bit of bits there, I guess. Oh, the piece fits so much better with 5 mil. What difference? And here we have it. Not much talking on this. Concentrating on my car mechanics because I don't want the wheels to fall off at 69 miles an hour. I reckon we're done. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed little 964 work. Got an exhaust on. Oh, let's go film the road. We'll see how good it sounds in the driveway.
Yeah.